back to Dean Village purely because of the time of day. There's not much sun left, and I'd like to see the other part of Dean Village before going off live. This will possibly be my longest live yet, and at least as I learned at lunchtime today, that at least now people can actually find my lives while I'm living. I was wondering, like, I know I'm a small channel, but like, why am I not even getting like one person? Even if it is just for like 3.2 seconds. And the great thing that I love about the Water of Leith, I used to come here all the time when I used to live in the area, is that I keep flipping the camera, but it's just so beautiful. But yeah, the thing that I love about the Water of Leith is that you can easily forget that you are. What did I just hit? A bag strap. But you can easily forget that you are in the middle of a capital of Scotland, not just the city centre, the capital of Scotland. And there's not only a river, but a really stunning waterfall. There's actually quite a few along this river, but we're only going to see this one, like I say, just because the sun's going to go down. There is actually footage on my channel, long form. It was done vertically rather than horizontal because I was a noob and I didn't realise that I had to change the camera to make it horizontal. But listen to this and look at this stunning waterfall. Can you imagine living in those flats? And that's your view every morning, every evening. I bet they've just gotten so used to it. Or even the flats behind me. Just gotten so used to it, they're like waterfalls, whatever. Oh yeah, waterfall in the middle of the city centre, capital of Scotland, no big deal. So it's maybe about, I would say, 20 minutes to half an hour walk to one of my favourite bits of Water of Leith. I won't be doing that today, but like I say, if you look at my long form video, I might put it in the comments when this video goes up non-live so you can check that out. Got some ducks. Free falling. Love it. But yeah, so easily forget that you are in the capital with all the beautiful scenery, the birds, the river, and of course the multiple waterfalls. Yeah, imagine living in these flats. What a view. Coffee this way. There you go. Someone that knows the area, I have no idea where they're thinking of, like. I don't know if it is, but still, it must be thick. I can barely go up and down them. Walking. That's it. Another view of that beautiful waterfall. It's got a front view as well. Technically a back view.